Hi everybody, I'm Amanda Finks. Welcome to another episode of Easy Recipes, where I show you how to make a simple recipe that your whole family will love. Today I'm making small batch funeral potatoes. I know, funeral potatoes is a terrible name for a recipe, but here in the Midwest that's what just about everybody calls them. I've also heard them called potluck potatoes and party potatoes. It's a creamy, cheesy potato casserole topped with a buttery corn flake topping. The traditional recipe makes a ton, so it's a great side dish to bring to a funeral, potluck, or party. My recipe is a scaled down version of those cheesy potatoes, so it's a great side dish to feed your family. Let's get started. In a large bowl, add 3 cups of frozen cubed potatoes that have thawed for at least 30 minutes. Add 1 15-ounce can of condensed cream of chicken soup, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Give this a stir until it's well combined. Spoon the potato mixture into a 7 by 11 inch baking dish, or you could also use a 9 by 9 inch dish. Spread it all out into an even layer. Now that we've got our cheesy potato mixture in the casserole dish, we can make our corn flake topping. Add a 1/4 cup of butter to a medium-sized bowl. Microwave the butter until it's just melted. Add 2 cups of corn flake cereal to a plastic food storage bag. Seal the bag and use your hands to gently squeeze the bag and crush the corn flakes. Add the corn flakes to the bowl and stir it up until the corn flakes are coated in butter. Spoon the corn flakes over the potatoes and spread them out into an even layer. Bake the potatoes in a 350-degree oven, uncovered, for 35 minutes. Then let them cool for at least 5 minutes before serving. The potatoes are creamy and cheesy, and the cornflake topping is buttery and crispy. This scaled-down version of funeral potatoes is an easy and delicious side dish you can make any day of the week. Give this recipe a try. I'm sure you're going to love it. Be sure to follow me for more great, easy recipes. Thanks for watching.